In this video, we'll be making over my boring outdoor front entryway. We'll be using all thrifted items that I already had. I'll show you how to tie together mismatched items to give you one cohesive look.
Hello my friends, my name is Joanne and I have another yard makeover video for you.
A transformation for this front entryway was much needed, and I grew and transplanted plants for weeks to prepare for this makeover. My goal is to have this be a place where we can rest. This is a great place to sit and enjoy the view. I also want privacy from the cars driving by, and I want this space to be a warm and inviting place, reflecting the artist that I am. And of course, I want this transformation to cost next to nothing. When I committed to redoing this entryway, I didn't realize how many repairs were needed. The front door was flaking, the concrete was stained, caulking was deteriorating, and there was a small hole in the siding that needed to be fixed. So I got to work, scraping, staining, scrubbing, power washing, filling in gaps, and patching openings. I refreshed the sun-dried surround of the door to give it new life, and I even painted the doorknob. And just when I thought I was finally done with all of these repairs, I looked up and I thought, oh no, this old and tired light is gonna ruin this makeover. Out of sheer exhaustion, I was tempted to leave it and just not show the fixture in this makeover, but I'm committed to giving it everything I've got. I've always gotten great results from painting existing fixtures, and I want to suggest that you give it a try yourself. You'll save some money and a lot of hassles, and you'll be able to come up with your own customized looks. I'll link these two videos in the description. They'll show you some of my upscale spray paint techniques that can be customized to your own taste. Can you tell I was deliriously happy that all the repairs were done? Now I could begin with the fun stuff. My inspiration for the entire front entryway design was this folding chair that I got at a garage sale long ago for only $4. I repainted this chair using the most requested finish from my high-end painting clients. This otherwise ordinary indoor chair now has a unique and expensive outdoor look. Let me know in the comments if you would like a future video with a tutorial of this finish. I'll put a link in the description to show you a waterproofer that I use often. When you're using a lot of unmatching items in a design, find a way to unify them, like I'm doing by adding teal details to this existing chair. Originally, these chairs had nothing in common, well, except for the fact that they're both chairs. And now, the color ties them together, yet keeps them each individually interesting. I added the same accents to this handy little table.
This front door makeover has projects that are never ending.
It's now time for the big reveal. Outdated indoor wall hanging is now a gorgeous outdoor trellis. I got this stained glass butterfly at a garage sale for $1 because the electric no longer worked. Now it's a solar butterfly. This wood storage container and high-end vase were both from Goodwill stores. This iron table was from a garage sale for $4. I even bought this plant with a free store credit. The candle holder wall hanging was $2.99 from a Goodwill store, and I also got the candle holders for $2.99. Did you notice how I even added subtle teal accents on this? I won this wooden light holder from a party raffle, and the tall metal hanger, I got it from a garage sale so many years ago that I don't even recall what I paid for it. This stand will offer me great opportunities to change up the decor for the seasons. I got this tall metal vase at a garage sale for $3. This metal wall hanging is from a church thrift store, and can you believe it was only $1? I love how it gently sways in the wind, yet I have it tied in so that it doesn't twist. This metal chair is part of a set that I got on clearance decades ago. And I love it all by itself because it really makes a statement on its own. This piece was rusted out at a garage sale, and so I cleaned it up and painted it. It was well worth the $2 that I paid for it. Here's the before of the light fixture. I hope you agree that it now looks new and refreshed. This was the only new purchase that I got for this makeover. I found this amazing indoor-outdoor mat on Amazon, and when I got it, it was on sale for under $20. I needed to find something that was ultra thin yet durable because there's almost zero clearance from the bottom of the door. I'll add the link in the video description so that you can check it out. I planted these canna lilies to give the privacy I wanted. I hope you'll try canna lilies. Canna lilies are the gift that keep on giving. You can start out with just a couple plants and they will multiply every year. They are so beautiful and they look so regal. Check out my video to see how easy they are to care for and store in the winter. Everything that I used in this design has similarities with one or more other elements. This pulls together the whole look. The metal vase, the candle holder, and the hanging flower all have similar metallic colors. The wood-looking vase coordinates with the storage box and the wooden light holder. The chair on the right has the same iron scrollwork as the table and this piece that I'm using as an art element. And of course, the chairs tie together because of their color. My friends, I hope this video inspires you to make over an area of your own home without spending a lot of money. Sometimes, the things that can bring us the most joy are the things that we already have. I hope you'll subscribe to this channel for more makeovers and low-cost living ideas. Please comment to let me know which part of the makeover you like the most. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.